Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best metal repair glue is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any toolbox. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just someone who likes to fix things around the house, having a reliable metal repair glue can be a lifesaver. Today, we're diving deep into the world of metal adhesives, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to discover a game changer for your repair projects. Number 5. Vicpricme Metal Glue, Heavy-Duty Epoxy Adhesive. This heavy-duty epoxy glue is your go-to solution for a wide range of repairs. It's designed to be easy to use and provides a strong, lasting bond for various materials. With the consistency of mayonnaise, it's simple to apply. The 1.76-ounce container comes with a reusable cap, and a 1-to-1 ratio syringe ensures precise mixing for future use. This glue offers outstanding temperature, oil, and chemical resistance. It's perfect for automotive, marine, and construction repairs, providing a robust and long-lasting solution. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours, bonding metal, plastic, and more. Once cured, it can be drilled, sanded, and painted, making it a versatile choice. It's an excellent value for money, ideal for repairing radiators, tanks, and more. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Mix equal parts, apply to the surface, and press the parts together. For best results, ensure the surface is clean, dry, and free of dust and grease before use. What we like. This glue's mayonnaise-like consistency makes application a breeze. It bonds to a wide variety of materials, from metal to plastic. And if you need a repair that can withstand extreme temperatures, this is the one. If you are looking for a glue that can handle the heat, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The glue worked perfectly for repairing a broken metal component. It created a strong bond and held the pieces together securely. The repair was successful, and the item is now fully functional. Number 4. Metal Repair Glue 2-Pack, Heavy Duty for various materials. This is a professional-grade, heavy-duty glue designed for metal, plastics, and ceramics. It's perfect for a wide range of repairs, offering a strong and reliable bond for various projects. This metal epoxy glue provides a durable and permanent bond. Your repairs will last for at least a year. It offers high adhesion, good hardness, and a certain toughness compared to traditional epoxy. It's suitable for bonding metals, ceramics, glass, and many plastics. You can use it on fuel tanks, plumbing, and even for repairing boats, cars, and more. The possibilities are extensive. This metal-to-metal glue is clean, odorless, and safe to use. The exclusive formula ensures your repaired items are safe. It's designed with your safety in mind. The application is straightforward. Clean the surface, mix the glue components at a 1-to-1 ratio, and apply. Allow 24 hours for full curing. It's that easy. The kit includes A and B metal adhesive, gloves, stirring rods, and a stirring plate. This complete set makes the repair process convenient. It ensures you have everything you need. What we like. This glue promises a bond that lasts. It also comes with a complete set of accessories, making your repair job easier. Plus, it's safe and clean to use. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with a long-lasting bond, you should consider this. What people say. I used it to reinforce a joint for a 35-pound monitor which was AL junction being used to mount a monitor, because the original monitor mount was lost. This actually made the joint so solid, the original metal felt like 1 unit SND. You could pick up the entire monitor from that joint and with zero play. I am seriously impressed. I used some fine mesh screen and this epoxy glue to patch up the hole that I cut, about 2x3. The hole was oriented vertically, so I needed something fairly thick that would stay in position as it dried. The glue is super strong and binds things in place nearly immediately. It did the job cleanly, glides out slowly and evenly, with no overspill that needed to be touched up after around the edges. Number 3. Paistely Metal Glue, High-Strength Metal-to-Metal Bond. This is a high-strength epoxy adhesive designed for metal repairs. It offers a strong and durable bond, serving as an alternative to welding. The glue creates a permanent bond on metal and other surfaces. It's easy to use and provides excellent wear, heat, corrosion, and impact resistance. This metal repair glue is perfect for filling casting defects in iron and copper. You can also use it as a general structural adhesive for bonding different materials. The push rod design ensures the A and B tubes dispense the glue in a 1-to-1 ratio. This prevents issues like slow drying or reduced adhesion due to incorrect mixing. The kit includes the metal adhesive, gloves, stirring rods, and a plate. The complete kit makes repairs easier and helps keep your hands and workspace clean. If you're not satisfied with the product, or if there are any issues, please contact us. We're happy to offer a replacement or a refund. What we like. This glue features a convenient push rod design for easy mixing. It comes in a cost-effective kit with all the essentials. It is also suitable for a wide range of applications. If you like a simple and complete kit, this is a great option. What people say. All-purpose repair glue for metal is a great product. This glue works very well. The product is easy to use. Number 2. Professional grade metal glue for metal, ceramics and plastics. This heavy-duty metal glue is designed for a wide range of materials. It's perfect for repairing metal, ceramics, and plastics, providing a strong and reliable bond for various projects. This glue creates a permanent bond that lasts. Once cured, it forms a strong and stable connection, ensuring your repairs withstand the test of time and use. It's suitable for various applications, from fuel tanks to DIY crafts. You can use it on boats, cars, and even repair cracks in motorcycle parts. The possibilities are endless. This metal glue is odorless and safe to use. The environmentally friendly formula ensures that your repairs are not only strong but also clean and safe for you and your surroundings. The application process is straightforward. Just clean the surface, mix the glue, apply it, and let it cure for 24 hours. It's that simple to achieve professional-grade results. The kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. With gloves, stirring rods, and a mixing plate, it's easy to get started and keep your workspace clean. What we like. This glue offers a strong, long-lasting bond. It's suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. Moreover, it is safe and clean to use. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile glue, this is the one for you. What people say. All-purpose repair glue for metal is a great product. This glue works great on metal. I have used it to repair several items. Number 1. Metal glue, all-purpose repair agent, 3.5 ounces. This metal glue is designed to handle any repair job. It can fix almost any surface, from metal to plastic. It works on steel, metal, ceramics, wood, electronics, appliances, glass, jewelry, and plastics. After using it, you can paint, sand, and drill. Once cured, it withstands high and low temperatures, impacts, wear, water, and oil. It's built to last in tough conditions. It sets in just 10 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours. The glue bonds to metal, aluminum, copper, iron, stainless steel, wood, plastic, and glass. Simply mix equal parts, apply to the surface, and press together. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of dust and grease for the best results. It's perfect for repairing fuel tanks, pipes, concrete, water tanks, and plastic buckets. You can also use it on boats, cars, heaters, vases, fences, and motorcycle cracks. What we like. This glue is designed for all-purpose repairs, covering a wide range of surfaces. It is durable and reliable, withstanding various conditions. The application is also easy. If you need a versatile solution for all your repair needs, you should consider it. What people say. This paste is the super bonding agent. I used for sticking the marker lights on the pavement for our community entrance. The kind of bond it provided with pavement was what we needed for a long time. The very easy and simple way one can use it to fix just about anything and the satisfactory results obtained. Best product I have used. Excellent for cold welding on metals. The all-purpose repair glue is a versatile and reliable adhesive that can be used to fix a wide range of materials. It is waterproof and can be used both indoors and outdoors. I have used it to fix broken pottery, repair a leaky faucet, and even mend a broken fence. The glue is easy to use and dries quickly, making it perfect for DIY projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.